قد أناب وإلى الله استجاب.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, it's really a great pleasure to announce that the Board of Islamic Education Karnataka is carrying on a campaign. Let us acquire Islamic knowledge from 15th September to 30th September 2021. It's really a matter of solace and happiness that our children are acquiring modern education, studying in schools, colleges, and universities. And of course, this is the need of the hour. But at the same time, we all are aware that modern education and worldly knowledge becomes a blessing only when our children are acquainted with Islamic knowledge and Islamic values. The knowledge of the Holy Quran, the divine guidance sent by Allah Ta'ala for the entire mankind, guiding us at every step, at every turn of life, protecting us against the temptations of Satan, showing us the right way, bringing us closer to our Master and Creator. The knowledge of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who was sent in this world as a blessing, as a mercy to the entire mankind. His mission, his life, his teachings, the purpose for which he was sent on this earth. How can he become a role model to us? How his precious and beautiful teachings can bring warmth, light, peace and happiness in our individual and collective lives, as well as in the lives of entire nations. This knowledge, in fact, is of prime importance. The knowledge as to who our Master and Creator is, what is the purpose of our life. This is the most fundamental, basic and primary knowledge. Without this knowledge, all other knowledge is of little use. Without this knowledge, modern education and worldly knowledge many a time becomes a curse rather than a blessing. The Board of Islamic Education intends to impart this fundamental knowledge to our youth so that they become true representatives of Islam wherever they are, and their very existence and presence becomes a blessing to humanity. This, in fact, is the only way to attain the pleasure of Allah Ta'ala, leading us to success in this life as well as salvation in the life to come. The Board of Islamic Education conducts Islamic certificate courses, diploma in Islamic studies. The curriculum and the syllabus is prepared in such a way that it can easily be completed along with college and school studies. Dear brothers and sisters, let us all become a part and parcel of this campaign. Let us actively participate in this mission. Let us enroll our students, our children from our homes, from our families, from our neighborhood, and all those students in very large number who are studying in schools and colleges. Let us inspire and motivate our teachers to be a part and parcel of this mission of ours. Phone numbers and the method of enrollment will be shared to you on the screen. At the end, I shall like to thank all the school managements, the teachers, especially the organizers who have joined with hands with us, who have guided us and helped us in this mission of ours. May Allah Ta'ala bless them with khair and afiyah in this life as well as in the life to come. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan kaseera.
فليعد للدين ماجد وليعد للدين عيسوا يا شبابا قد أنابا وإلى الله استجابا إنما